Implementation any ERP system can be a game changing for business, but also it is a bigger challenge. Even with the latest Odoo 19, success depends on the thing doing it its right way or not. One of the biggest challenge in ERP software migration, the transfer information from old system to new system is create lots of error and lost data if not planned properly. Every business is unique, and so its workflow and work process. So Odoo 19 offer module apps, but exclusive customization slow down the whole business process and flow, also the ERP system. Even the best ERP fail in your term does not use effectively because the training and user adoption is the main key of the any ERP software training process. Integrating your live existing tool like CRM marketplace or payment gateway can be tricky. Once live, ongoing support and monitoring make all the difference. Odoo 19 system monitoring tool helps detect an issue before they impact your business workflow. Facing issue during Odoo 19 implementation? Don't worry. Every challenge has a smart solution. Let's explore how you can ensure a smooth and successful Odoo journey. Start with clean, validate data and test before final data input. Use Odoo import-export tool. Test in your staging environment and always backup before migration. Odoo 19 module structure cover most of the business needs. Start with core module and customization gradually. It's keep your system stable, smooth and error-free. Train your team early. Use real business scenarios and Odoo 19 improve UI to help user get comfortable and easy to use. Odoo 19 enhance API framework, simplify third-party integration. Work with certified Odoo partner to connect your ecosystem seamlessly. After go live, track performance with Odoo 19. Useful monitoring tool like regular audit, update and user feedback. Loops ensure long-term stability. With the right strategy, tool and team, Odoo 19 become your growth engine. With Odoo 19, your Odoo implementation does not have to complex. Plan smart, train your team and partner with the right expert. Success will be followed. In our next video, we'll bring you the perfect solution of the all challenges. Stay tuned.